Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
Just a quick little breakfast, provided free by the hotel. What have you for breakfast, Dave?
Nice and sunny today.
Yeah, Lauren's jealous.
Not when we're doing that hike that we did yesterday.
I think it looked better yesterday. I like clouds.
Look at these skies today. Typical, it's nice clear skies today. To be fair, we do have time to go back over and go into that lake again, but we kind of just want to get to the next place. It still looked nice yesterday. If anything, it's probably too bright over there for me because I can't see anything when it's snowy. Not a bad train station.
No.
Not a bad train station at all. Oh, school route.
Yeah, maybe don't film them.
Yeah, didn't realise there were so many of them there. So beautiful. Too beautiful.
Yeah, get rid of it. It's not fair. Look at them making silage. Ready for the winter. Welcome to the beautiful Lauterbrunnen, or a much better pronunciation of that. Spelled like that. Lauterbrunnen.
One of the most beautiful places.
Yeah. And that's not an understatement. So yet again we couldn't check in till 4. So we got 3 hours.
Kill. Which is crazy. All the check-in times recently have been like 4 or 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, bloody hell, we're not even had the night there this week.
But we get in, she goes, you can't check in for 3 hours. And we're like, okay. We can't help when we get here.
I know. Can't help when the train comes in. Just put somewhere to store the bag.
But I don't know what we're going to do for 3 hours because nothing here around here looks really very nice. Alright. I literally can't stop looking at that view.
The sun's gone off the waterfall now, but we're going to go back and see it properly again tomorrow.
Although there do seem to be quite a few miserable people here.
Quite a few people have snapped at us since being here for doing not anything really. Which is a shame because it sort of puts a damper on the mood, but...
You know, fair enough, people might get annoyed at tourists, but it's a destination, isn't it? just did a trip to the co-op. Came to £22. We'll show you what we've got when we get back.
Lots of cakes because they were all discounted.
Lots of stuff at 50%. Loads of eggs.
This was originally £6.50. We got it for £3.25, which is about £3. So I don't think that's too bad for 2 big slices of strawberry cake.
Yeah. So this is part of our haul. 2 pastries, 15 eggs. 1 cake there. That's going in the fridge. We're in a nice little hostel. 3 cakes, 1, 2, 3, 4 yogurts, big load of mozzarella, a Pepsi, alcohol-free Radler. Yeah, so not too bad for 20 quid, but probably could have got it a lot cheaper somewhere else.
This hostel room cost 280 francs, £246 for 2 nights, which is expensive, but this is a very expensive area of Switzerland. So 246 divided by 2 is £123 each, divided by 2 is £61.50 each.
Per night.
Per night.
But for that, well, actually not a good view out there, but out our own little balcony. And that's definitely a sight. Here we go. There's our traditional meal. Japanese noodles.
Back in Japan, the average meal here is about £30 a meal to eat out. This costs us the eggs.
Yeah, and we got 15 of them.
Yeah.
We're going to breakfast tomorrow. There we go, look. Mmm.
Then I'm going to drop it.
Mmm, Lauren's happy.
It was £7.50 actually, then it went to £6.50, and now it's £3.25, which is about £3, so that's pretty good.
Why do bubbles make my day? Day's off to a good start. We saw some bubbles. We got, well, not shouted at, but somebody tutted at me. So I stood in their driveway whilst I was flying the drone.
You stood on the road though.
I was on the road,
in
yeah.
their driveway.
Well, actually, I moved onto the driveway because I saw the car.
Oh, bloody hell. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, people are quite miserable around here, which is a real shame.
I mean, you're allowed to be miserable when scenery's so nice.
They are just tourists, maybe they're just miserable to tourists.
Which is fair, yeah. The scenery's so nice, they're allowed.
But the thing is, you know, we pay so much money to be here and not a single one even cracks a smile.
Yeah. I mean, to be fair, the majority of businesses in this place will probably run on tourism, so...
Well, they do.
Yeah, except for farmers.
That is amazing. Oh yes.
Yes, it's worth catching the train.
Somebody's enjoying the view.
How can you not enjoy the view?
Yeah.
피드스트로 가는 시간은 25분 소요됩니다. 여행을 즐기십시오.
مرحبا بكم في فيسبان قمة المغامرة يسعدنا قدومك.
So we've got to the top, it's just started raining. hopefully it might be blowing that cloud over. So this cost £30 with the Swiss pass to come up. I'd imagine you can come up free by walking.
Might take you about 10 hours though.
Yeah.
It's very high.
But then this actual cliff walk is free.
That ended.
That'll be behind, won't it?
There we go.
So we're going to wait for them to pass. It's still beautiful though. I mean, there's worse places to sit and wait.
So much for it clearing up. See you at the bottom. Get the gondola.
Ain't no way we're walking all the way down there. This would be an incredible place to ski. I mean, we have skied in some amazing places, but the tracks and stuff around here look amazing.
They do. When we're rich.
Just imagine like this covered in snow. All of that would be all runs down there. There'd just be loads. It looks like there's a lift that goes up and over.
The chairlift up to there, yeah.
This would be an incredible place to ski, definitely. And that coffee we just had, I don't know if we said, the coffee was 5 francs and the beer was 6 francs, which to be honest, the coffee came out at £4.40. It was a big coffee, so I'm actually not too annoyed at that, because down at the bottom where we're staying it's 6 francs 50 for a coffee, so about £6 for a coffee. So you would think it'd be more expensive up here, but it's not, it wasn't too bad, so yeah. Actually have a drink up here without breaking the bank.
It's cheaper than down there.
Literally.
It's just the gondola up.
I could almost be skiing. You could almost be skiing.
So on the train from Grindelwald, we've just sat next to the guy More Best Ever Food Review Show.
We kept looking at each other and looking at him and
I was like,
looking at each
I think that's the guy. Yeah, lovely guy. Yeah. It's crazy. Small world. Perfect pasta meal again. Can't go wrong with eggs, cheese and pasta. But you probably can go wrong with that.
Using what we've got because the co-op is shut.
Yes.
We would have had chicken rice, but co-op shut, so
Not having that.